Bum, bum, bum. Bam, bam, bam. Hey, yo, look, making ramen. We need a new microwave, or we just need some light for the microwave. I don't know. But, yo, I'm saying, how to make the best ramen. Okay, this is what I do. I don't read directions on the back of the ramen, the plastic. I don't read from it. Okay, so this is what I do. I pause it, I check it, make sure it's soft, right? So I'm gonna grab me a fork. Grab me a fork. So alright, it's soft a little bit. Soft a little bit. It's coming together. Alright. I think top ramen cooks a lot faster. And like top ramen heats up in the microwave faster. So I press start again. And I let it do its thing for a couple of minutes. You know, pacing the floor, chilling. Express. I express my feelings through my freestyle raps. I express my feelings through my rap songs, my auto-tune freestyles, my auto-tune songs. I practice on my singing. That's how I express myself. And if I'm better at it, I record it on a beat. So I take advantage of it and sing better. Okay, I'm better at my singing now. I'm just good like that. This is darkness right here, y'all. uh, uh. I had scissors ready. I just open up the packet. I just open up the plastic of ramen. Got my fork ready. Chicken flavor. And top ramen. Plastic. And I want some bread with it. Like, I got turkey, mayo, and I got some bread right here. I got plenty of bread. Whole wheat. Look. This is what it looks like after opening up the packet. And I check it again. Grab my fork. Alright, it's off now. Now on to my part 3 video. Putting the chicken flavor into my ramen. Hopefully I could do it on camera. I'll be back.